Hello everyone. In this clip we're going to look at creating a pie chart. Pie charts are of limited value as they take up real estate on the screen to display very limited information. However, they remain popular and are visually more appealing than standard column or line charts. They can only display in one dimension of data, so the pivot tables used in their creation are very simple. This is a typical example of a pie chart pivot table here. To insert the chart, click Pivot Table Analyze, Pivot Chart, Pie, and OK. That's our pie chart. The standard chart is pretty boring, so we'll change the style of it as we did with the column chart. So we'll just go to the Styles button here, and we'll pick Style 3, and that matches the style of the other chart. We'll also change the title here, so the formula for the title is here. So we'll just click on the title, pop up to the formula bar, put in equals, and click on the cell containing the formula, and that's the formula for the pie. We can now use the field buttons on the chart to change the year. So I can click on the year button here, and I'll say I want to look at 2021, 2022. And now you'll see that they're the proportions for 2022, and the title changes to 2022. So that's all there is to the pie chart, very simple. You can get a little bit more fancy with 3D and all that sort of stuff, but that's fine for now. So now we'll just move it, click Design, move the chart, and we'll move it to Chart 1. And there it is in Chart 1, and we'll move it to suit with the other charts that are coming onto this worksheet. So that's it for now for pie charts. See you next session. Have fun. All the best. Bye for now.